This is the new website we built for CLX, a professional services firm in commercial finance. We rebuilt their whole online presence in 4 weeks. Month 1, their click-through rate jumped 156%, and their leads went up 8 times. But here's the line that stuck with me. In the first week, CLX got more compliments on their website presence than in 15 years in business. 15 years. That's not a campaign. That's an operating system. It's called the go-to-market operating system. Now, let me guess what your own go-to-market looks like. It lives in 6 spreadsheets, 3 people's heads, and a CRM nobody's opened since spring, right? When people hear go-to-market, they think marketing. It's bigger than that. Strategy sits on top, and under it, brand marketing, sales, and delivery. In most firms, those run as separate departments that stop talking the second the plan leaves the room. The go-to-market operating system makes them move as one. Claude Cowork, the AI that does the work right alongside you, Notion, the one workspace the whole thing lives in, and the go-to-market for professional services framework, the part that decides what's actually worth doing. Tools are the muscle, the framework is the skeleton, and it's not expensive. A few $100s a month in software. Week 1, heavy edits. By week 12, a fraction. Same hour a week. That's the one thing other AI tools don't have. Okay, here it is live and public. Nothing staged. This is the front door. The brain sits in the center and everything else feeds it. Here's your one move. Open the system in Notion, the link's below, hit duplicate, top right, to pull the whole thing into your own workspace. Then start with the brain page tonight. That's where you start. Oh, and that CLX site you saw at the very top of this video, we built it with Lovable, sitting right on top of GTM OS. That's the next video. See you there.